Good morning to everyone. My name is Ashra Khan. I am from Standard 7. I am from Bhuta, Sarvajanik School. Today my topic is viscosity of different liquids in different tubes. Different liquids have different properties. One of these properties in viscosity, the liquid resistance to fall in water, milk and fruit juice are comparatively thin and flow more easily than thicker, more viscous liquids such as honey, corn, syrup, shampoo and liquid soap. Viscosity is an important property of drilling fluids. A more viscous fluids is better able to suspend rock cutting and transport them to the surface. However, more pressure is needed to pump very viscous fluids, resulting in additional viscous fluids are also more difficult to separate from the cutting. Explain that the thicker liquids have a higher mass and make the marble move slower.
Good morning everyone, myself Sion. I am from Bhuta Science School. I am studying in 9th standard and today my topic is action and reaction. Newton formula states that when you push against something it push back on you with an equal opposite force. Newton third law. It law actions and reactions. It tells force interact with each other. The force are the action force and the reaction force. Tell where reaction force even the object is non-living. Action reaction force and plan. Action reaction for the depends on the object being the direct contact, meaning that the two objects involved are actually touching each other. So we are not.
Good morning, everybody. Myself, Shaisa Khatun from Standard 6 of from Lion and Computer Science Sarvajanik School. So, today's topic solar energy. What does solar energy mean? Solar energy just means energy, light, or heat that come from the sun. First, we can use the sun energy to heat things. Our houses, the food in our houses, the food in a solar cooker, and so on. This is called solar thermal energy. Thermal means heat, so solar thermal energy just means heat energy from the sun. The second basic way we can use solar energy is to turn light from the sun directly into electricity solar panels. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself is Ashra from class 10 and I am from Bhuta School. Today I will explain the cooling law. This model has a metal frame with 3 moving pulley and this model can be kept on table and we can show mechanical advantages to students. The first moving pulley have the fixed moving pulley and it changes only when the force is applied. And the second pulley have one moving pulley and one fixed pulley. And the third system has one fixed pulley and 2 moving pulley. At end of the 3, the 2 kg weight is fixed and the plastic handle is applied, is given to pull. So this was explanation of pulley law. Thank you.